happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, me and Car Keys. So today's video is about the most versatile camera that I've ever used in my entire life, and that is the Insta360 X3. Now, I've been a content creator for about 4 years, and when I say this is the most versatile camera that I ever used, I'm not kidding. I'm not just saying that because that's the topic of today's video. I mean, you can use just the front camera, you can use just the back camera, you can use it in full 360 mode, which is the point of the camera, you can use it in slow motion, you can use it in time lapse. I mean, it has so many options. Now, my channel is called Me and Car Keys, and it's primarily built on this truck and all things automotive. And I primarily bought this camera solely for one shot and one shot alone. Now, I've done that shot tons of times and I love it, but I quickly realized that there's so many other opportunities to create content with the Insta360 X3. And when I bought this camera, I bought it in a bundle package, and that bundle package was called Bullet Time, which is what we're gonna do today. Now, bullet time is a mode on the Insta360 camera, and it gives you this really cool slow motion 360 shot. Check this out. Now, the bullet time bundle came with, of course, your Insta360 X3. It also came with the memory card. It also came with your invisible selfie stick. And last but not least, it came with your bullet time handle, which does spin around on the top. And it also doubles as a short tripod. All right, now to get this cool shot, you're gonna literally hold this above your head and spin it around like a helicopter. Now, quick disclaimer, okay? If you do this in public, you're gonna look really weird, okay? I've done it before, and people are always looking at me like, what is he doing? I'm pretty sure my neighbors are gonna be looking out the window right now like, hey, the YouTuber guy's outside again. What is he doing now? But it's gonna be an awesome shot. Check this out. Also, don't hit anybody. Please don't hit anybody. Y'all, that is literally one of the coolest shots that I've ever seen. And imagine doing that like on top of a mountain, or imagine doing that on the beach. Now, if you are interested in trying out the Insta360 X3 and seeing how it can level up your content, hit the link in the description below and you'll get a free selfie stick, invisible selfie stick, along with your order. As I stated before, I've had my Insta360 X3 for almost a year now. I've taken it to some amazing places and got some amazing content. I look forward to next year to what content we're gonna come up with. I already have one plan that's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned to the channel, Me and Car Keys. Please subscribe. Motivation Crew, that's me, that's you, that's what we do. Till next time. Here's my year in 360. I'll see you.
Hey everybody, how's everybody doing?